any problems. Is there any problems? Yeah. Jeffrey. Is there any problems? Any bottles? Any models? But like to swallow. Like gobble, gobble. Talking gobble, gobble. Extended clips.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Already did my eyes off camera as usual, my brows as off camera, so now I'm just gonna set the powder, and I'm just gonna use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder on top of the teeth oil.
Girl, me said I wanna make me want come home with you, and I'm if you spend time alone with you. Rodeo, hey girl, your boom boom hold me so, control me so, yeah the condom.
Okay guys, I missed you guys so much. Like I filmed like I don't know so many videos, but I was just not happy with the quality, so I did not post. But happy new year everybody, and it's 2018, we gonna be lit. Okay, lit. So today's look, so now I'm gonna go into my crease area or my transition color. I'm using the Radiance Beauty, and I'm going into the shade, my contour shade actually. I don't know, I've been loving using my contour. My Makeup Forever, oh gosh, this is looking so crappy, but I'm going into my Makeup Forever palette, and I'm going into the pink shade.
I say it's great, but it could be better. It always could always be.
Then I'm gonna go back into my contour palette just to kind of like sort of, yeah, deepen the crease again.
Everything in life won't always be pleasure. You work for the treasure just to live even more. Cause you say it's good, but it could be better.
So I'm gonna use the same brush, I mean you guys didn't see, but the same brush that I used for clean up my brows, and I'm just gonna outline. Just outlining like where I'm gonna put like my glitter and stuff. As you usually you guys know, anything more liquid you have to set with powder, so I'm going in again with my Sasha Buttercup to set this powder. Alright, that one. This look, I'm gonna add glitter. I've been loving glitter lately. And I also did a look recently. I'm old enough to drink, okay? I also did a look recently where like a lot of people that I met like was really interested. I had my new subscriber, I don't know your name, but big up to yourself. And then you saw me at Forever 21. And so I'm doing the look. I mean I'm gonna do a little twist to it, but you know, still close enough. So now I'm gonna add my glitter glue, and this is the e.l.f. glitter primer actually. So my eye is drying out a little bit, and then these are glitters that I actually got.
With a knife in my hands, what else should I carry for you? I care for you, but
I got them from Target. So for the inner corner, I want to use this lighter pink. I actually like shoved the thing down into it, but yeah, I'm gonna use this like lighter pink in this area right here. Can I?
Loving you, I thought I couldn't get no higher. Your November rain could set the night on fire. Night on fire. Gone, I should know.
Probably like 3 or 4 times now. Even though I'm not gonna away. So depending on the type of skin, then the skin you have, like my skin tends to get oily. I don't have oily skin in nature, but I don't know, makeup just makes me like super oily. I don't know why. So with that being said, I'm adding powder even though I'm not really going over, but if you like really want your makeup to stay throughout the day.
How did we get so far gone? I should know by now. You should know by now. We should know by now. Something's gotta give. Something's gotta break. But all
I'm gonna add my concealer to highlight my face.
Oh yeah, oh. When the spotlight hits you, oh.
So yeah, I'm gonna set this area.
Spotlight hit you, oh no, no, no. I need you like Jisoo, I need you like Jisoo. See you in the club, I miss you. Every other time
So now I'm going in with a brown liner to line my lips.
that's true.
My palette is so broken, it's not even funny right now. See that? So this is actually the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
can't cop the coupe, don't do shit for two. All black truck hanging out the roof. Mobbing through the hills, pulled up with my crew. I can't cop the coupe, don't do shit for two. Said I'm falling off, but they won't JFK me. Try to be myself, but they won't AKA me. Mobbing through the hills, pulled up with my crew. I can't cop the coupe, don't do shit for two.